How to install APK on Android. So the first we need to go to open the navigation. I'm gonna pick up Samsung Internet here, and then we go for Google, and then I'm gonna search, for example, for Candy Crush. So here I'm gonna search for download Candy Crush here, and then don't forget to write APK and search for it. Okay, so now we're gonna open this website, up to down. It's not necessary to go to this website specifically, but this one is one of the most famous websites. So here we're gonna click on latest version, just wait a few seconds and click on download. And within the upcoming 3-4 seconds, as you can see, click on download, starting download here. And as you can see, it's getting downloaded. So far it's 15%. Okay, so it's been downloaded successfully. Now we're gonna click on the file here and click on install and just wait a few seconds. Okay, so now we click on open, and as you can see, the app's been downloaded successfully and we can play the game here. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.